Hi viewers. Some user asked me how to change our code in Java. Do you want to continue yes or no in Java? Viewers, when we write a program in Java and check some number are even or odd, and numbers are prime and not prime, and somehow we enter a number and program display me a table of this number. Because I want to write this type of program should ask me, do you want to continue yes or no? We must show this program. This is a program who display a table of the any numbers. I run this program, enter table number, I write here 8, and then enter the table of 8 is display show. And viewers, I want, here is a prompt, ask me, do you want to check another number or not? If I press Y, uh, program asks me enter a number, and then enter any number, and program show me table of that number. So we change this program, we use a do while loop. Because first of all, we create a variable character type choice, do keyword, and copy this code and cut and paste here. Because system dot out dot print do you want to continue y over n. Choice equal to sc dot next dot character art 0 semicolon, and here is condition while, you know, in do while loop condition before after the loops, choice equal to y capital Y or choice equal to small y. Because if user enter capital Y over small y, program restart over enter prompt come here, enter a table number. If user press any other keys, program terminate here. I run this program. Okay, 9 viewers show 9 table display. Prompt come here, do you want to continue? Yes, enter a number. I put 6 and 6 table show. If viewers, I press any number, programs terminate, our loop terminate, and run again. 5. Do you want to continue? Yes or no? Yes. And enter table number. Come again. 3 table show. Do you want to continue? Yes. Enter a number. 10 table show here. If I press any number and the loop terminate here, because just I create one variable, a character type choice, and create a do while loop, and here put the code system.out.println. Do you want to continue? Yes or no? This is our prompt. If I press y come in, put in choice variable. If choice is equal to capital Y or small y, if I press here y, small y, this condition is true, I use here OR operator, and condition is true. If condition is true, loop repeat here, and code run again and again. Else user enter an other key, press any other key, else y, small y or capital Y. Bye. Okay, let's